until 6:15 a.m. At 4:08 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Hawesville, Lewisport, Candleton, Petrie, Ladera, and Whiteman. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:15 a.m. for the following county: Hancock, Kentucky,